So May uses triangle A, which is the one I'm outlining here in red, and she says that the slope of the line is 6 over 4. So just like we've been doing in class, the vertical side is 6 units, and the horizontal side is 4 units, and that ratio gives you the slope, 6 over 4. So May is right. But then Elena says that the slope of triangle B is 1.5. So if you take a look at triangle B, which I'm outlining in blue, you can see that the vertical side is 1.5 and then the horizontal side is 1. So that has a ratio of 1.5 over 1. And then if we want to take a look and compare those things to see if they're equal, so 6 over 4 compared to 1.5 over 1, if we go in this direction to the left, we can say 1 times 4 gives us 4, and then 1.5 times 4 also gives us 6. So they're actually equivalent ratios, which means that those triangles are similar. One's a dilation of another, and they're all on the same line. So both of them are correct.